It'll stay together on its own.
Oh,
okay, don't chop off the
Bro, y'all almost lost my finger. I almost lost my finger. Ain't no more football after that. Do I need to do like chop some more, or is it good?
No, just put it on the plate.
Oh, okay.
Shout out to the father, you with me? Now me and the family winning. One time for the family business. From Taylor Love.
You rolling? You rolling already?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look.
Top right, yeah.
Yes, we're all rolling.
Go, James, go.
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome out. As you all see, we're not by ourselves. Not by ourselves at all. We have some great people with us.
Yeah, we do.
And, I'm gonna let them introduce themselves.
Hey, I'm Joshua.
And I'm Krista.
Yes, and they have an amazing channel by the name of
Beyond the Pot.
Yes. If you need to learn how to cook, you want to sing some dope recipes, check them out.
Me.
Check them out for real.
Yeah, check her out.
Thanks.
So yeah, we're here. Full transparency, I need to learn how to cook. If you need to learn how to cook, drop some comments down below if you need to learn how to cook for real, because that's where I am right now. I'm not horrible, but
Okay.
I'm not great. I'm not great. And the motivation behind it really is coming from, as y'all know, we just had baby James. You know what I'm saying? He's at the house, finally home. But things are getting real now, just with the day-to-day, changing them, being up with them, all of that. And Shun is working extremely hard with raising, getting the baby ready.
We do that.
Baby ready.
We do that.
Baby ready.
We do that. That's what we do.
But it's just now, it's like, how can I help out more?
I like it.
Like, okay, at work, okay, we bring a little bit of money in. Okay, that does one part. That's needed, definitely vital. But now it's like, we need to do more. And so,
I love that, James.
yeah.
Learned some stuff today.
Yeah.
I told James when he proposed this to me, I was like, yes, let's do it, because there are dads that are like, my wife is the only one that cooks. And so I was like, that's a great idea. It's brilliant. So I was like, let's learn 2 things that you can do and you can interchange them. And so today we're going to make a frittata for breakfast, a breakfast item. Say it, James.
A fritter?
Frittata.
Frittata.
Oh, he got it. So frittata, and then we're gonna make a sheet pan dinner, and he can interchange the proteins or the vegetables, and it's gonna be super simple, super easy. We're gonna rock it. Cool. Don't be nervous. I told him, don't be nervous. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good.
Well, if you ready, I'm ready. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do this.
Let's get to it.
Let's make it happen.
Again, say to the big homie.
Yo, I got you.
All right, for sure. All right, look, bro, look.
I'm gonna take care of your boy. You're gonna be set. You're gonna be taking care of wifey. You're gonna be set. You're gonna have some good food. You're gonna come home. Everything gonna be straight. So I got you.
All right, so what we got, man? What we got? We got some ingredients here.
All right. So right here, we're going to be learning how to make a frittata. So it's very simple, very easy. Only thing you're going to need is some eggs.
Okay.
Whatever kind of meat or protein. You don't have to. You can just do straight veg if you want to. So if you're on a vegetarian kick, you can do that. We got some cheese. You know, always got to have the classic salt and pepper. You can use milk. I like to do cream. I like the silkiness of it.
Okay.
And then at the end, we also got some sour cream and some sauce. I forgot. And we're going to put a tomato in this one. So these are some of the flavors that I heard that your wife loves and like.
Yes.
So we're going to go ahead and we're going to saute up some of this sausage. We're going to cut up this tomato, and then we're going to take it to the stove. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this recipe is. All right?
Let's do it. Oh, man. We got the cream. Wait, what is that? Velvet? It's going to be good. I'm with it. Shun, how you feeling about that?
You're gonna do great, babe.
All right. So we doing one hand, 2 hand. What y'all want? What y'all want? One hand.
you got,
what y'all want? 1 hand and 2 heads with these eggs, man. I'm gonna start off simple.
I'll show the man how to cut the tomato.
It ain't that, like, you did way too much with all that.
He gonna show me how to cut, y'all. I was cutting it up wrong.
Yeah, you just cut like into circles. Just nice little circles.
Oh.
Just a circle like that. And the only thing you gotta do is just boom, boom, boom.
And turn it.
Turn it. Boom, 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 boom.
Done.
That's it. And you done. So,
Oh,
yeah.
what I've been doing, I don't know what
Actually,
I did.
You do this.
I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. I don't know what. All right, what we got?
All right, we got everything over here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna saute up some of our turkey sausage.
Okay.
We know turkey doesn't have a lot of fat, so we're gonna add a little bit of butter.
Okay.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of butter here. And we got our heat. Let's turn it to medium heat here.
Right.
We already preheated the pan. So we got a nice sizzle as we drop. Feel that sizzle? You
Yeah,
like
I
that
hear
sizzle?
it.
Okay,
Wow,
all
come
right.
on, show out
All right,
there.
so go ahead and drop your sausage
Okay.
right in the pan. They go, just drop it.
It ain't gonna pop. Okay.
Yeah,
I mean, I
gonna
thought it
pop.
was like some greasy. But,
Nah. I said we adding fat because the turkey don't have a lot of fat. So we add a little bit of butter. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be safe. So we're gonna go ahead and saute that up. Once we get that all sauteed, then we'll add our tomatoes, and then we'll add our eggs, cheese, and then we're gonna go into the oven next. So I heard you had a question for me. What you
so
want to ask me?
I know you said 3 children, right?
Yeah.
And you and your wife been married.
We married 14 years.
Crazy, 14 years, dope. So I know you were saying earlier you help out 3 times a week with making meals right now.
Yeah.
Like, what got you to that point? Like, what made you want to even do that?
I felt like, me as a husband, it's not only my job to provide, but also to be a support to my family.
Solid.
And so I recognized that my wife was doing a lot of work with managing her job, managing the kids. So I want to come in and do what I can to help make this whole house just run smoothly. So I felt like coming in, cooking it 3 days a week. I mean, among other things, not just cooking, but coming in 3 days a week and really helping out that way really took a load off my wife, and I think it's been a blessing to her, man. So I'm inspired that you were getting this so young, like you having a family.
Yeah.
You just had a baby, and like you already jumping in and stepping in and like doing the dad thing. So
trying, man, and that's the hard part. I mean, I think because there's a lot of men, black men in that, is that we don't want to ask for help. And so being vulnerable, like to come out and say, bro, I'm not the best cook. Mm-hmm. Y'all saw me dicing up the tomatoes. Yep.
It was a struggle, but you got it. You got it. They look good now.
They look good now, right? And so that was the biggest thing, man. Like, I think we're just having people, a community of believers around you to be able to reach out to and say, hey, bro, this is what I need help with.
Yeah.
And you guys opening up your home and allowing us to come through is huge. And so, let's learn.
Yeah. And so. 75. As you see, we got it all preheated, ready to go.
375.
So that up.
I almost got hit by the oven door.
Oh my good. We're gonna slide that up here in the top row. Ooh yeah.
That junk look good already.
Yeah. So we're gonna set it up here for about 15 minutes. We give it a check.
Okay.
And then we'll see if we're ready after that. Sweet.
Bet.
All right. Be back soon.
Let's get it.
We said 15. We went a little bit longer.
Okay.
We probably did more like 20 minutes. I put on for an extra 5 minutes. So let's go ahead.
Check it out.
Pull it out the oven. Let's do it.
Let's see.
Oh man, let's see
Looking like-
how it looks.
It smell good now. It smell good.
Ooh, that looking good. Check that out. Ah, come on. So we're gonna bring this over here. Just hit it like that. Boom.
Okay.
We're gonna come across like this. Bye bye.
Ah, don't hurt him too
And then we're
bad.
gonna come
now.
across like this.
Ooh.
And then
It's
last
singing
one.
to me. It's talking to me. It's ready.
Oh yeah. So we got that. We're gonna get us a little spatula, get us a little piece.
Okay.
Finally got a piece of that.
All right, come on, moving on up.
That's right. We moving garnish it up. So we got a little bit of sour cream we'll put right here on the side. And then we got a little salsa we put on the other side.
That junk look good, y'all.
And then there you go. All set.
Easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right. Let's get some forks and let's dig in and get to tasting.
I'm probably gonna think it's good. We gotta get the real taste tester.
All right, let's get the real taste tester in here.
Quita. Make sure you get folk. There you go.
Oh yeah, get a little of that sauce, a little sour cream. Blow. How did your hubby do? Oh yeah.
Appreciate it. Second dish.
Second dish.
With Miss Kristen.
You got wifey this time.
All right. What we got going
You
on?
had hubby last time. You got me this time.
That's right. Come
you
on.
got the real deal this time.
No, he did his thing. And he was dropping some knowledge on me. My fault.
I told him all he knows.
Okay, I'm with it.
I
I'm
told
with
him
it.
everything.
What we got this
Okay,
time?
we are gonna make an easy dinner, super easy dinner. It is a sheet pan meal.
Okay.
And so literally you take a cookie sheet and you put everything on the cookie sheet to cook it in the oven. And what you can do, you can switch out your proteins or your vegetables, and so you don't have to keep it the same all the time.
I like it. I like
Okay.
it. I like it.
So we have chicken breast. We're gonna do chicken breast, and we're gonna Parmesan encrust it. We're gonna put Parmesan cheese and some breadcrumbs on it, so you ain't gotta just have plain chicken.
I like it.
And then we got some green beans over here. We're doing green beans.
Okay.
Fresh green beans, and we're gonna do some potatoes.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
All right. Here we go. Chunks. So what I'm gonna have you do, and so what we did, everybody, we put Parmesan cheese and some panko breadcrumbs. Get the coarser ones.
Okay.
If you don't want to do coarse, you can always do the Italian breadcrumbs or regular breadcrumbs.
Okay.
But this makes it a little crispier.
I like it.
The
I like it.
coarser breadcrumbs. And so we mix that together with the cheese and the breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna put some parsley flakes in it.
Okay.
I got some dried parsley flakes, so put that in there. You put that in there.
Any particular amount or just shake it in?
Until you see green. Real good. Shake it, shake it, shake it. That's good.
All right.
And then put a little garlic powder in there. A little garlic powder.
All right. Did I put too much?
It's okay. It's fine. We'll work it out. We'll work it out. We probably won't use all of it. It's okay. It'll mix up. So mix that up for me.
Smelling real good.
You're gonna
Okay.
take what's in that bowl and you're gonna lay it out on here. So pour that on here. Or half of it on here. Or like half of that on there. Yep.
That's good.
A little bit more. Okay. So you're gonna take your chicken. So take a piece. I'm gonna show you one, and then I'll let you do the rest.
Okay.
You'll take one piece of chicken. Like, watch that. Oh, you see that?
Shit it in there.
Watch this.
Oh,
Look
okay,
at that.
pretty
Or you can
straightforward.
use your hand and pack it on there. Make sure it gets all on that chicken. Make
Got
sure.
it.
Sometimes you might have to get your hand dirty.
Okay.
It's okay. You know what I'm missing? Spray. Jules, can you hear me spray? Awesome.
Coat it up.
Thank
Coat it
you.
up.
Yep. We're gonna spray this
it up.
pan real good.
Yeah.
So you can put that piece of chicken right on here. Put it right there. Perfect. Awesome. And then you're gonna do the rest of them.
All right. Let's see.
I'll let you do it.
Yes, ma'am.
So while you're doing that, I'm gonna help you out over here, and
Okay.
I'm gonna peel some potatoes. Hand me that bowl. I got a question for you,
Yes, ma'am.
because I know Sean is handling feedings and stuff, right? How are you helping Sean?
So right now, laundry, helping up with the cleanup,
good.
making sure that gets done well. Again, doing the providing part with
Yes.
working and stuff like that. Helping out with the baby as much as I possibly can. So again, I can't breastfeed, but
Right.
she pumps from time to time, and so I'm able to make the bottles.
Oh,
get
that's
'em.
great.
Take shifts of getting up so we
Yes,
can get
yes.
some rest.
Shifts are good.
And then now, right here, trying to learn how to cook, help out a little bit.
That's so good.
Like I do breakfast. I'm good at breakfast, but
Yes.
it's mainly just oatmeal.
Yeah.
Still cut oatmeal, and it's good with apples. I would put like the nutmeg and
Oatmeal.
oh, you got the chicken laid out.
Chicken is done.
Okay.
Another suggestion, Joshua just told me this. If you got a ranch seasoning packet,
Yeah.
you could add that to the seasoning. You have
Okay.
a ranch chicken. And then I thought about it, I was like, you could do buffalo.
I like
if
buffalo.
you
We like hot. We
you
like
could
hot.
do, like if you cook it and then put some buffalo sauce on it.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be real good.
So cook it
Real
first,
good.
then add buffalo.
Yes.
Okay.
Or if you want like a buffalo like type seasoning, you could use like cayenne or chili powder.
Something like that.
Put some cumin in it and
Cumin.
rub it up. Cumin. It's a spice.
That's a
y'all.
new one for me. Cumin.
Oh, you need to put that in your cabinet.
Cumin.
If you do not have cumin in your cabinet,
Wait, is
I'm
it
gonna
yellow?
need It's like brownish.
Okay, no. What else?
Yellow is curry.
Curry, that's what I was thinking.
No.
Yeah.
Cumin.
Okay.
Cumin. Okay.
Antoine, my bad. My brother gonna get me. They gonna get me. I'm supposed to know this.
I heard y'all were chefs. Get them. So I started cutting potatoes for you, so you cut these last two.
Okay.
All you gotta do is cut it in half and then cut them down the line.
Gotcha. It's not gonna be like the tomatoes. I mean, yeah, it was good. Okay.
And mix those up.
Yes, ma'am.
Mix that up. See, because you're doing great. And you're gonna pour that out on here.
Just dump it straight out?
Yep. Literally dump it straight out. Just throw them on there. Yes. Perfect. That's in there. Put that over there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna season our potatoes.
Okay.
Go in this pan.
We cooking. Well, you better watch out.
For real. So I'll mix those up for you. And we going on this pan and we about to go in the oven.
And that's it.
That's it. Literally. We gonna go for about 25 minutes.
Okay.
And that's it. Look, watch that. Look at that.
Dump it down.
Your whole dinner's on one pan, bro. One pan. And like I told you, if you want to change something, you see how you got green beans here? You can do broccoli.
Okay.
You can do Brussels sprouts. And then if you want to change your protein, you could do some pork chops.
Yeah. Okay.
Put a little brown sugar on them pork chops, a little paprika. Come on. I'm schooling you to do. Okay.
What?
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
We going to the oven.
Let's do it. I don't learn how to cook, y'all.
And you can leave this on 375.
Okay.
Because you already had it on 375.
Right.
So go on 375. We're going to go in the oven for about 25 minutes.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
We out here.
He about to have a whole meal, y'all. Let's go. All right, James. Our timer went off at 25 minutes, but I put another 5 minutes on it. Okay. So we went 30 minutes. And our chicken is ready. And our potatoes are ready. And green beans look toasty.
That look good.
Amazing.
Shun gonna be eating good one of these nights. Oh, snap.
And so it looks really, really good. I'm going to slice a piece.
Okay.
So you can taste it. Look at that.
Oh,
it's
man.
Juicy. Look how juicy it is.
Kept the juice in there. Quita.
Your turn.
Quita, where'd she go?
She over there. That's your piece.
We're talking about. Oh, we looking.
It looks amazing.
Girl, taste the chicken. Yeah.
That work?
Listen, y'all. I'm being for real. They didn't get. Y'all saw how bad I was. Saw how bad.
You ain't horrible.
All right. But listen, if y'all need some great tips, great recipes, please check out the family at Beyond the Pot.
Yes.
We're gonna link them all over this all over the video. Make sure you check them out. Give them a like, a follow, subscribe, leave some comments, share them with anybody that you know of. And so if y'all need help, check them out. We can continue to grind. I'm gonna make this when I get back home.
Yes. Tell me how it go.
I'm probably gonna need some help.
I was about to say Zoom me.
Okay. We're gonna do that. But all in all, we out here. We about to eat.
Later, y'all.